Our time in Shenandoah has come to an end. Now we're headed back for our home port, Newbern, North Carolina.
Close it. Hand off the trigger until the last minute, okay? Got it. Almost got it. You were right behind it.
The eyes need to close one or both open?
Both eyes. Both eyes open.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know why everybody thinks Michael Jordan is so special. His vertical leap is about 3 and mine is about 12. Just because his is measured in feet and mine is measured in inches. We were supposed to be shooting a round of skeet, but QP just can't stop looking for mushrooms.
And then he wants love.
Again?
Tell a story, Teddy. Tell a story. Come here.
That one was a chicken.
Oh, it looks like we're having another Jowza party. What do we have this time? 2 types of shrimp Jowza and 2 kinds of pork Jowza. Who are our artists today? Samantha, Victoria, and QP. Victoria's lovely daughter Samantha cooked the dumplings for us, and then, as always, we took our after-dinner walk.
A lot of the same stuff. Honeysuckle.
That's her flower she likes.
Honeysuckle.
Yep.
Honeysuckle. It's a honeysuckle.
Smell good.
Aren't they wonderful?
Like a professional! And now it's QP's turn at the controls. First, Tom's going to have to give her a quick lesson in how to control it.
This leg right here. And right here. Let's see who's fault. Let's see this.
I'm too short, maybe.
No.
Now, all right. This foot
Uh-huh.
makes the bucket go this way. The bucket.
Okay.
This one, if you move your foot this way,
Uh-huh.
makes the bucket go up and down.
Okay.
Okay.
Up, down, and out. In.
Uh-huh.
Correct.
Okay.
Right. If you pull back, you go backwards.
Okay.
If you push forwards, you go forward.
Okay.
Okay.
Same way.
All right. If you get scared,
Both.
hit that
together.
button right there. Okay.
That button is up.
Yeah. That shuts everything off. Okay. Or you can just turn the key. All right. It's like a video game.
This one don't need to touch any button, just full. That.
Yeah.
Oh my! I think maybe too short. Too.
No, yeah.
You okay?
You can scoot up on the seat.
How do you pull the seat up for her?
That's what I was trying to figure out.
Reach between her legs.
Yeah, that's.
Poor dog.
If you reach
I'm
in there,
dead, man.
if you reach in there and grab a lever, I'm
Dead
be
man.
disappointed.
I'm a dead man. All right.
Look at that concentration.
Just as bad as hers.
Okay, go back.
Turn this way. Because you got the concept of the wrong one.
Other way. Other way.
Other foot. Use this foot.
Go forward first.
Look.
Up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Okay, now go forward. QP.
It's hard to see.
Yay! Okay, now get out. Much better. One of our favorite things about Bridgeton Harbor Marina is the potluck dinners. We have them often, and this time QP made pork with wood ear. I'm not sure why these guys are standing around with all the beautiful women in this place. I wasted no time in surrounding myself with beautiful women. QP is not shy about surrounding herself with beautiful women also, and she has freedoms that I don't. Larissa wanted to go with us on our search for oyster mushrooms. Luckily, we found enough to have a nice dinner for everybody. After driving the Bobcat, QP thinks she can control anything.
You're gonna have to go get a picture of her line.
No concept of cut the grass. That one was actually pretty straight.
You gotta watch out for that white spot that's down there. The snorkel that gets up there. You see that, Tyler?
Yeah, she knows. Victoria liked oyster mushroom soup so much that she wanted to go out searching for oyster mushrooms. This one is not an oyster mushroom, but we did find enough for a nice dinner and the last night before heading for Charlotte. I have come to terms knowing that I'm not the best grandfather, but not for lack of trying.
Thanks, Megan. Spend a long time to paint my nails. I'm beautiful again. Do you know what I'm doing now? Victoria sent me a race dancing video asked me to practice it and join them dancing for Halloween.
It seems like on this trip everybody wants to learn how to make jiazi. Even the neighbors got involved.
Because you're old.
Is this on video?
Yes.
I'm not old, I'm seasoned.
I'm done out for you. Okay.
Seasoned like a cast iron pan from the 40s.
Exactly. Can't get nothing better. Our last night with Chris's family was spent cleaning up the backyard. Can you say far, far? Here we are at the Thai restaurant planning our trip with Will and Shishi to the Blue Ridge Parkway. That will be our next video.